at the West Houston Institute, part of the Northwest College, and we are considering all the implications of future cities. What do they look like? How are we going to imagine those?
These workshops, we will engage students in using emerging technologies such as the Internet of Things, 3D printing, virtual reality, and digital twins, plus also other different technologies to engage them in thinking about how we are going to live in the future. For them to start engaging at this very early age on a sustainable future for us as humans. And this is very important for us.
These are students who are dual credit taking college classes. All of these students will be transferring on either to HCC to complete degrees here or on to university. And so this is a great time to engage students with the future of technology and how that technology is going to shape how we live and work. My advice for you is explore your world. This is the time for you to be engaged and try things out, experiment. Don't be afraid to try something and fail, or try something and decide you don't like it and try something different. And just find a way to take what you were passionate about and turn that into a greater purpose in the world.
I'm grateful that the students have made the trek out here, and I'm grateful for our partnerships with our ISDs because they make this possible, and it provides their students an opportunity to learn differently than perhaps what they're learning at their campuses. So, and these are our future students. Some of them are existing students, but some of them are our future students. So we're excited about that, and we are thankful for everybody that has worked here today, from the person that just sets up the furniture to the people who are actually doing the sessions. I don't think we say thanks enough to those folks.